Hey guys, let's check out free gift plus special deal on Blinkit and Trusted. Let's go. Hello, namaste. How are you all doing? Hope you're all happy, fine, smiling, right? This is Flying Skies One. Welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos and offers. Blinkit is giving free gift on occasion of Holi. Plus, you can unlock special deal at checkout, which I'll show you in the later part of the video. So the minimum order to avail free gift would be 1000 rupees. And you have got 50% off on Holi store, which you can check out. And for new users, you people have got 50 off plus free shipping on your first 10 orders. And you can order grocery plus. And the special highlight of Blinkit is you got special print store, which you can check out. And not only that, an embedded app called District app is there for booking tickets with great offers you can check out. So this is the free gift from Blinkit, as you see in the picture, Gujiya, wherein these are stuffed with coconut and dry fruits, which is yum. So you can enjoy the sweet box. Now let's see how to get free gift. Go to Blinkit app and you can check out the Holi store to get 50% off. And as you see in the picture, you can go for different categories and shop. Here I'm adding t-shirt to my cart, which is 129 rupees. Okay, anyways, you can add any item to the cart. And if you want a free gift, the cart value should be minimum 999 or 1000 rupees. Then only you can unlock free gift plus special deal. As you see in the picture, you can check out namkins also and Gujiya or sweet boxes at 50% off. After adding to the cart, go to view cart. Here you can see it says you got to add 417 worth products to add free gift to my cart plus unlock special deal. So I got back and added few products into my cart to get the free gift, as you see in the picture. And here you can see my free gift is unlocked. So I'm adding the free gift to my cart by clicking on add button. After you does that, you can scroll to the right and you can add the special deal. So here comes free gift plus special deal unlocked for me. You can click on free gift and you can add 100 grams of Gujiya or 400 grams of Gujiya, whatever you like. After adding this free gift to the cart, then you can go to view cart and check out. Payment offers are also available. You can check out and place your order. That's it, done. You can enjoy free gift from Blinkit, and the delivery would take only 10 minutes of time. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Keep smiling.